Hey folks, it's me, Adam, and today we're looking at this professional hair trimmer. It's 6,000 RPM, that's right, a 6,000 RPM motor. Has carbon steel blades and an extra long lasting battery. That's right, it's battery powered and rechargeable. So let's go ahead and take a deep look at this amazing product. It's the one that I trust my beard with today, and I think it did a great job. Adjustable length, it's really fantastic. And let's look at all of the features. First off, it is super powerful. You heard it right, 6,000 RPM, so this motor is moving quick. And the carbon steel blades are going to stay sharp longer than other similar trimmers. It comes with worldwide voltage, that's 100 or 240 volt, so you can use it in different locations. But what I like most is the fantastic quality. This thing is beautiful, and it's not just your cheap plastic finish. It is a high-end trimmer with carbon steel adjustable blades that you can adjust up and down with this right here. This thing is the type of razor that's going to last you 10, 20 years, not 10 or 20 weeks. So it is adjustable here, easily chargeable, and it does show you the battery life. Even after shaving today, I've got plenty of battery life left. And this thing is going to get up close. You can do around the neck, trim all sorts of areas. And I used it to get right here across my neckline to give me a clean edge, which is fantastic. I also used it in here for my edging and in here for a cutout beard, which is fantastic for me. But if you're a hair trimmer, somebody who wants to adjust length, you have all sorts of adjustable guides, everything from 8 to a 3. So a 3 being a very short cut. Let me show you real quick. Excuse me, a 2 right here, all the way to a 8, and an 8's going to be a much longer set of hair. So you can see on the sides here, I have about a 2, and then about a 6 is what I cut this a little bit longer today. So it has adjustable, it is rechargeable with USB, so that's easy to recharge pretty much in any USB outlet. So you're going to be able to charge that practically anywhere you can charge your phone, as well as a protective cap for long lasting, keeping this sharp, as well as a very nice and easy to use brush for brushing hair, particularly as you're combing it, or as your comb for combing your hair as you're cutting it. It does also come with the oil that you'll need to go ahead and lubricate the blade every once in a while just to keep it moving friction free for many years to come. So an absolutely fantastic product. So good that it comes with a lifetime warranty, as well as the professional operating manual, which does have all the information, the equivalence in length, the number 1, 2, 3, all the different blade lengths, everything you need to know, and tells you exactly how good this amazing product is. So go ahead and pick one up today. You won't be disappointed. They have customer service that you can email and they'll get back to you within 24 hours, as well as a lifetime replacement guarantee. It says, thanks for your purchase. We stand behind our quality products. If you ever have any issues with your purchase, please contact us for a free replacement or refund. They really stand behind these, and there's no doubt why, because you can look at this thing and tell that it is fantastic styling and fantastic quality. So go ahead and pick one up for yourself. You absolutely won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.